I stand here to move a motion for a resolution of Parliament urging government to respond to the plight of Karamojong children enslaved in street begging.
Honorable Face Nakut na aderai MPO District Alona Park nyezda pachabu opeske otoma na irabete akironi kamanara kida le Mario na ada idwe aluko pekwa na ilele batoma no orotin ngunludo Kampala ora ilelo mutosa no Karamoja konyede ngare no koludo kwa apu kese baka sebe akirona idwe ilu aje utetoma no orotin nyezda irai borende irai kwa nei nono idege uniti kolo sekinoi ekarule lukumit akwataka nyangu na kaisa kanyara alu yari idwe imeda ete ikule peke noya depar itoni kesi auriak.
Having seen what happened in 1972, you leave alone this idea of the woman MP when she was submitting in the parliament. She said from 1979. No, it was in 1972 when there was real drought in the entire Karamoja.
Girls go there, when they come back, they have fine-tuned themselves. They bring back some assets home in terms of saucepans and so on. Others probably construct for their families houses, although the life that they live from there is horrible.
So these children go to streets. It has become a job. They are the very people feeding those who are left at home.
Aijara na adidwa lo nyesdera na epagele no ya depar konye mame pata na itikokin na rerongicha ni pulitosa ne otomano Karamoja.
I want to urge you, my Karamojongs, other than even talking in the parliaments of Uganda, is there anything we can do as leaders? One thing we can do as leaders is one, let's prioritize education for our children. Can a lot of money go to education sector in Karamoja? Can we adopt a life that other districts outside Karamoja are having it?
Ido Simon Peter na mrochwe lodera idopoto manaurian o district Alona Park anyesa balebe enyaka pugani dwe la bongo bong konye bongo noreti kulepeke boni nare raichane ruki totor abuda ilipe apugan eborai kolo patanam tikwa na itegya itache idwe luda iropito oto manangone la kada enyama taripolo kongunu loka sage
inyakyo tobongete adolo kono kinyakete ngrengun adolo kinyakete adolo tarne bingu tar ngombo no dang iche borna mani ko ta ka amuna ring delu karanga karong na ngilinga atalang to nga ngilinga kiko na ko rangre o gadang gelar te o ga e ida tarang ngilinga aji aka ngara ka bukan akara ngi dalu o chono ngi dalu
Ationizina nyeside jamun ebe mina chepaka itemokin araikeret echa mutengareno abunere keren nepepe osote danyu ne ipone loda itiji ibakor aneotmano Karamoja.
Now the MPs know them by name, they know the names of these children by names. Now if they know the names of the children, then why can't they go to the parents of these children? And if there are those who are trafficking children, then government should get hold of those.
I think born the polo no inesa inebim. Ipederapu gari no Uganda ajawika da e programs lo ngai ipedera ngara kini duelo na re wanjwa duelo ija so street lo ara ile mo eta ijara.
Godfred Eyoku, TV East, Karamoja.